Good morning to all of you. As it is 25th of May 2021, class 12, subject economics. Our today's topic is causes of increase in demand. Dear students, as we have been learning various components of demand like concept of demand, change in demand, quantity demanded, slope of demand curve, downward slope of demand curve, increase in demand and extension in demand. Today we want to know what are the factors or what are the causes responsible for increase in demand. Here you must be aware of the fact that increase in demand and extension in demand are two different components of the demand. Here our concern is to know about the causes of increase in demand. Various causes are responsible for the increase in demand. Let us enumerate them likewise as when income of the consumer increases. So why demand increases? Demand increases because income of the consumer has increased. This is the one cause. Then when price of substitute goods increase. Substitute goods means when price of one good may increase, the consumer may tend to purchase another good which is having lower price as compared to the price of the good which has increased or risen. Price of complementary good falls. Here one thing should be noted that substitute good and complementary goods are two different goods. Substitute is a consumer will substitute low price good instead of the high price good, but complementary good, when price of complementary goods falls, complementary goods are those which are used side by side, which are used at a time. Suppose for instance pen and ink, the price of ink has risen, consequently the demand for pen will fall because price of the ink has risen. The consumer is not in a position to purchase ink, so there is no use of making the use of pen. So these goods are called complementary goods. When taste of the consumer shifts in favor of the good of the commodity due to change in fashion, because fashion plays an important role in the shape of demand of a good. So when taste of the consumer shifts in favor of the good due to change in fashion or climatic condition, as we are facing severe climate here in winter, we purchase warm clothes instead of cotton or other clothes which we are not having in use during the winter season. So climate also plays an important role in the increase in the demand of a good. When price of the good is expected to increase, as we have already learned these things, these are the determinants of the demand. So when price of the good is expected to increase in the near future, the demand for the good may increase. Increase in number of consumers, size of population. Size of population matters the most. The more the population, the more the consumers. So increase in number of consumers also affects the increase in demand. When income of the consumer is expected to increase, a consumer is having low income at the present juncture, but he is expected to have more income in the near future, so his demand for good may increase complementary to his increase in his income. So income of the consumer plays an important role while describing the increase in demand. So these are the causes, or these are the factors responsible for increase in demand. So this much is enough for today.